Hey guys, Kenny here and welcome back. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? I really hope you're all doing well today and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. Today's video is super duper exciting kasi kitang-kita nyo naman sa title. Ang gagawin natin is itatest natin yung newest from Issy & Co and that is yung kanilang Skin on the Go collection. Ayan guys, I have here the complete collection, lahat ng shades meron tayo and variants ng powder nila. Packaging pa lang, look at that, 'di ba? Sobrang ganda. And actually, ito yung reason kung bakit nag-beige akong background because sabi ko parang gusto ko kapag nag-take ako ng photos later, at least parang 'di ba? Pasok dito sa theme or vibes nung nila campaign. Even yung swatches and product shots, sobrang on point as in international levels. Kaya ayun guys, if you want to know how I feel about the new Issy & Co Skin on the Go collection, just keep on watching. Again, yung tawag sa collection is Skin on the Go and they have total of 2 products dito sa collection. Yung first one is called the Active Skin Tint, which is this one, and yung second naman is yung kanilang Weightless Loose Powder. Again, this one is called the Active Skin Tint. It comes in 6 adaptable shades. $4.99 yung price niya and it contains 35 ml. So, dito naman sa powder, it retails for $349. 10 grams siya and it comes in 3 different finishes which is Illuminating, Mattifying, and Translucent. And also guys, for those of you na medyo bago sa Issy & Co, lahat nga pala ng products nila are vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, preservative-free, and dermatologist tested. And made in Taiwan. This is how the packaging looks like when it comes sa skin tint. And as you can see, sobrang minimalist, sobrang clean, and ang linis tignan, di ba? Squeezy tube siya, by the way, guys, tapos airless pump, which is perfect. Kasi, di ba, saktong-sakto lang yung amount na madedispense, tapos hygienic din. Siguradong-sigurado talagang hindi ma-expose sa kahit anong dumi or whatever yung product inside. Ito naman yung packaging ng kanilang loose powder, and as you can see, super consistent, clean, minimalist, and ang sarap talaga sa mata. And look at that, guys, meron siyang kasamang mirror inside. Sobrang nakaka-happy kasi parang first time ko makakita ng cap na merong salaming ganito. Of course, meron siyang kasamang powder puff. And what's good about this is, look at this guys. Meron siyang cover pa. Ang dami nilang budget, nakakaloka. Tsaka it doesn't feel cheap when you hold it. I mean, look at the material.
Look at the material.
This is definitely one of those local brands na masasabi kong I don't mind na medyo pricey cause packaging pa lang alam mo talagang ina-effortan nila and ginagastusan. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen guys, yung face ko without any makeup on so that you have an idea how it looks like. And also para mamaya, may ipag-compare natin yung merong product sa wala. Of course, para fair guys maglalagay ako ng primer because sa kahit anong makeup naman or base, naglalagay ako. And yung gamit ko is the Revlon Primer Plus. This one is yung mattifying and pore filling. Mapa BB cream man yan, foundation, tinted sunscreen, or skin tint. Talaga naglalagay ako ng primer. And para nga fair and just in case na mai-compare natin to sa ibang product, maglalagay din ako para pare-pareho sila. Also, bago nga pala yung lens na gamit ko, so please let me know if okay ba kung maganda yung quality and kung sharp. Sana naman maganda kasi ang mahal niya, Bing. Nakakabutas siya ng bulsa. Ito munang active skin tint yung susubukan natin, of course, since wala pa tayong base and according dito sa info sheet or info card or booklet. What makes this special? This one contains niacinamide which helps improve skin texture and controls sebum production. It also contains glycerin which is a skin restoring ingredient that supports hydration, squalene, olive-derived antioxidant that seals in moisture. Of course, meron siyang sunscreen actives and also oil-free formula. Kaya ideal siya for all skin types, especially combination and oily skin. And that is actually another reason kung bakit sobrang excited ako dito aside from the fact na finally, may local brand nang naglabas ng hindi naman multi-purpose na product. Hindi ko alam kung napansin nyo guys pero parang month after month after month after month, kung hindi lip cream, kung hindi lipstick, multi-purpose product yung lumalabas. Sobrang nakaka-bore na, di ba? Like, wala ba kayo maisip na bago? So this one is the shade Vanille. Kanina ko pa siya pinapump guys para ay lumabas ng second shade. Kanina pa ako nagpa-pump. Ayun. Second shade is Fawn. Third shade is called Beech. Beech. So, ayun guys, this is how it looks like. This next one is Hazel. Ito naman si Brulee. And last shade is called Sienna. Again, from top to bottom, we have the shades Vanille, Fawn, Beech, Hazel, Brulee, and Sienna. And for me, I think yung shade na gagamitin ko sa video na to is... Ang hirap mag-decide because I feel like I'm in between these 2 shades. But I think si Beech yung pinaka-close sa skin ko. And having said that, that is what I'm going to use because why not? And also, before we proceed sa pag-apply, can I just say na sobrang happy ko because ang ganda ng shade range. Kung i-compare natin siya sa ibang local brands na kapag naglabas ng foundation, kung hindi 2-3 shades lang or 4, 6 na shades agad yung binagsak nila tapos lahat pa sobrang perfect for Asian skin. Kuha lang tayo muna ng, actually isang pump konti eh. Medyo mahirap lang siya mag-dispense, B. Ano ba to? Tak-tak muna natin siya para medyo lumapit yung product sa butas. Ayan guys, eto siya kapag 2 pumps. Tapos ang gawin natin is half lang muna ng face yung lalagyan ko so that we can see the difference nung meron sa wala. Ayan guys, this is how the tint looks like on the skin kapag 1 layer and 2 pumps. And as you can see, very light lang yung coverage niya, which for me is not a bad sign. Kasi nga diba, skin tint naman to, hindi naman siya foundation. That's why I'm not expecting a lot of coverage. But in terms of how it looks like, I'm really impressed kasi it looks like skin. Tsaka hindi siya malagkit guys, at all. I like how it feels sa skin. Honestly, initially or at first, parang medyo ano ko. Hindi ko sure kung gusto ko siya. But ngayon, guys, first impressions for me, guys, I like this product. I can see myself using this, especially on days na gusto ko lang gawing pantay yung kulay ng face and medyo mabawasan yung imperfections but hindi naman yung totally blank or covered lahat. Sa ganung mga moments, okay na okay itong product na to, guys. And for everyday, it's not cakey, hindi siya nagkikling sa mga dry patches and even sa mga pores. Maganda siya, hindi niya na-emphasize. Subukan naman natin siyang i-layer this time. This is how the skin tint looks like kapag 2 layers and for me, mas prefer ko siya ng ganito. Or mas gusto ko siyang gamitin ng ganito because as you can see, mas madami na siyang na-cover and even yung mga dark spots ko, hindi na ganun ka-visible. Of course, meron pa din namang mga nagpipeek through ng konti but personally, I don't mind because hindi naman to foundation eh. Hindi naman siya full coverage, di ba? Hindi naman nila kinlame. Very natural yung finish niya. And for a natural finish, tapos ganito yung itsura, sobrang ganda niya. And since nga wala siyang oil, di ba? It looks really nice sa skin. It doesn't look greasy, it doesn't look oily. Hindi siya dugyot tignan, basically. Again, etong side na to yung merong product. 2 layers siya and eto naman yung wala. And as you can see, mas kitang-kita na yung difference or yung improvement. Tsaka hindi pa din siya malagkit sa skin, guys, kahit 2 layers na, as in, ang comfortable niya. This is how the Issy & Co skin tint looks like all over the face and I like it. Look at that, diba? Ang fresh tignan ng face ko or ng skin ko ngayon after ko siyang ilagay sa buong mukha. 4 pumps yung nagamit ko sa face kaya I feel like etong product na to medyo mabilis siya mauubos sa akin, especially kung madalas kong gagamitin. But I don't mind kahit medyo magastos sa product because look at the finish. Sobrang on point. And take note guys ha, hindi pa ako nagko-concealer, hindi pa ako nagpa-powder, but nawala na totally yung lagkit or yung parang feeling niya na merong product. Super lightweight, super comfortable sa skin. It doesn't suck the moisture, as in, I love it. Before tayo mag-proceed sa powder, guys, maglalagay lang ako ng konting concealer para i-highlight yung under eye. Tapos yung brush na lang din gagamitin ko. Again, 3 yung variants na meron dito sa powder. Mattifying, Illuminating, and Translucent. It retails for $349 and it contains 10 grams. And also, talc-free yung formula niya. Mattifying powder yung hawak ko, guys. And sabi dito, this one is an oil-absorbing powder with squalene. Ideal for combination and oily skin types. Next one is yung Illuminating. And this one naman, meron siyang diamond powder for a luminous finish. Ideal for use under the eye or areas that needs a bit of lift. And of course, last one is yung translucent and ideal siya for people with normal to dry skin. Meron siyang vitamin E which makes it non-drying. Ito naman yung swatches ng powder. So yung first one is the mattifying, second is yung illuminating, and yung third is yung translucent. Pinong-pino yung texture ng powder, guys. As in, wala kayong mararamdaman kahit anong grit. Kung familiar kayo sa texture ng RCMA, doon siya pinakamalapit. And also, I forgot to mention that this one nga pala, meron siyang mesh dito sa pinaka-center, which is yung nagdi-dispense ng product. And saktong-sakto lang yun lumalabas, kaya maganda. And alam mong safe kasi di ba meron ngang cover. Definitely one of the best packagings ng powder dito sa local brands or sa local scene. Sobrang high-end nung itsura. I have oily skin, guys, kaya ang gagamitin natin sa video na to is yung mattifying. And I'm really hoping na sana talaga makatulong siya sa skin or, you know, para makontrol yung oil. And same kanina, half lang muna din yung lalagyan natin so that we can see the difference, di ba? Tapos ayan, pinipress ko lang siyang mabuti sa skin para sigurado talagang mag-lock and mag-seal yung nilagay nating base kanina dito sa powder na ginagamit natin. Ito yung may powder and ito naman yung wala. And as you can see, kapag kahit close up, Ang ganda niya, sobrang blurred tignan ng pores. Diba, tingnan nyo, sobrang smooth and velvet tignan ng skin. And totoo naman yung claim ng product, guys. Sobrang lightweight niya, as in, parang wala ka nilagay na kahit ano sa face. And hindi siya magaspang at all, unlike other powders na meron sa local brand. I'm impressed. Sobrang gusto ko siya. Of course, yung mattifying part, mamaya pa natin malalaman sa wear test. But first impressions, ang ganda sa skin, guys. And take note, guys, ha, this is already our 4th product na nilalagay sa face. But until now, wala pa din ako nararamdamang bigat. Super gaang pa din ang pakiramdam ko, guys. As in, parang wala ako nilagay sa face. All over the face, ganito naman siya. And as you can see, even though nakapag-powder na tayo sa buong face, it doesn't look flat or parang desherto at all. Sobrang ganda ng finish niya sa skin. Sayang lang na hindi natin masusubukan lahat ng powders because isa lang naman yung mukha ko. But don't worry because itetest ko yung ibang variants tapos siguro sa Instagram ko na lang i-update kayo or kaya sa mga future videos, ganun. Gusto ko lang talaga kasi mag-focus doon sa mattifying since nga I have oily skin and I know na yung iba sa inyo oily din yung skin. And hindi naman lahat sa inyo bibilin tong mga to or lahat ng variants, di ba? Pipili lang kayo ng perfect sa skin type nyo kaya since I have oily skin, of course, yung susubukan ko and talagang itetest is yung for my skin type. And for first impressions nga, I love the powder, guys. It feels expensive. It feels high-end. It doesn't feel cheap kapag nilagay sa skin and yung pakiramdam nga, sobrang ganda kasi ang gaang niya. Overall, I'm super duper happy with how my base turned out kasi nga, sobrang spot on. Ang ganda niya. It looks natural. It looks fresh. Hindi siya yung parang overly done. For those of you na naghahanap ng perfect for everyday makeup or yung pang no makeup look, these are going to be your best friend. Sobrang comfortable niya. It's not heavy at all. Kahit konti. Hindi talaga. And even though nag-layer na ako, guys, naglagay ako ng blush, bronzer, whatever, ang ganda pa rin ng itsura ng product, guys. And what's nice is nagpipeek through pa din yung skin kaya sobrang natural niya. I can definitely see myself using these products, especially on days na gusto ko lang ng sobrang fresh and skin-like na finish ng base. Of course, kung yung hanap yung product is yung kayang i-cover lahat ng imperfections, definitely this product is not for you. Kasi nga, skin-like yung finish niya and light yung coverage. But for those of you naman, ang gusto is yung perfect for everyday, yung pang no makeup. And yung pang even out lang ng skin tone or kayang gawing mas fresh tignan yung skin. This is definitely one of those product na perfect para ma-achieve yun. Actually, kahit hindi nyo na isa to pwedeng-pwede na kasi maganda nga siya, nagmamattify after a few minutes. Yun nga lang sad to say, pero hindi natin pwedeng gawin yun, especially kung lalabas since naka-mask. And definitely, kung hindi siya isa-set, magta-transfer. Pero kung nasa bahay lang naman kayo, like may Zoom meeting, online class, mga ganung ganap, I highly recommend na subukan yung gamitin tong tinted sunscreen without any powder. Doon lang sa pinaka-pump, medyo nahihirapan ako, guys, kasi ang effort. Kailangan talaga itaktak nyo muna pababa yung product because kung hindi, kahit ipump nyo siya ng ilang beses, mahirap lumabas yung product. Hey guys, so kakatapos ko lang gumawa ng review dito sa eyeshadow palette na meron sa aking mata kaya magkaiba sila. So sorry po. But anyway, this is how my base looks like for about roughly 6 hours. And of course, yung ginamit ko sa face is same lang dun sa video. Yung concealer lang ang naiba, guys. But actually medyo off yung kulay niya. Parang sobrang yellow but dadmahin na natin. Again, yung gamit ko is the Issy Co Skin Tint in the shade Beech. And yung powder is the mattifying powder. And ayan, guys, this is how my skin looks like after, again, roughly around 6 hours. For me, I like it. I'm really happy kasi diba imagine, this is just a skin tint. But look at that. For 6 hours, medyo nag-oil up lang siya pero maganda pa ding itsura niya. Doon lang sa mga areas na madalas mag-oil up sa akin, which is yung T-zone ang medyo kailangan ng retouch. But the rest, ayan okay pa din naman. Hindi siya mukhang dugyot, di ba? Hindi siya dirting tignan. Sobrang lang, dewy, para ka lang lumabas, tapos nainitan, or parang nakatambay ka lang sa beach, ganung vibes. So yeah, for me, overall, I like this skin tint. Again, this is just a skin tint, but yung performance niya, almost comparable na sa foundation. Actually, even yung longevity or staying power, di ba? Kasi usually kapag ka-foundation, mga ganitong oras din mag-oil up. And also, dito lang sa ilong ko, guys, medyo nag-crease na ng konti, but normal naman sa akin yun as in, eto talaga yung area na mabilis sa akin mag-cake and mag-crease, kaya deadma lang, I don't mind. And also, guys, wala palang retouch to. Ang nilagyan ko lang ulit ng powder is this area since nag-cut crease ako and gusto kong gawing sharp. But the rest of my face, wala akong pinatong or kahit anuman. As is na siya, guys. Like, kung ano yung una ko nilagay, pinabayaan ko na after nun. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope na nakatulong tong wear test. And again, almost 6 hours ko siyang suot. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope na nakatulong tong video na to, yung swatches, yung wear test, everything para makapag-decide kayo if may ipa-purchase ba kayo from this collection. Of course, as always, lahat ng links ilalagay ko sa description box so that hindi na kayo mahirapang mag-search especially sa Lazada. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.